Choosing the right Makita random orbital sander sounds simple until you compare power, speed control, weight, and dust collection side by side. So here's the ranking from the most basic option up to the strongest overall pick. The Makita BO5030 takes the 5th spot in this ranking, but that does not mean it is a bad sander. It is actually a very simple, lightweight, and practical tool for basic sanding jobs where you just want to plug in, press the switch, and get to work. What stands out here is the low weight. At 2.9 pounds, this is the easiest model in the group to handle for longer periods. The 3.0 amp motor and 12,000 orbits per minute give it enough speed for common sanding tasks, and the 5-inch pad size is easy to control on furniture, boards, and smaller projects. But here is the limitation. There is no variable speed. You get one speed, and that is it. Compared with the next models, especially the BO5041, you lose some control when working on softer wood, finish sanding, or more delicate surfaces. The dust bag helps, but for heavier sanding, a vacuum setup would still be better. If you want a simple Makita sander for light to medium work, this one makes sense. But if you want more control, especially with speed settings, the next model starts to feel more flexible. Links to all products from this review at the best price are in the description under the video. In 4th place, we have the cordless Makita XOB01Z. And honestly, this one is interesting because it is not trying to beat every corded sander on raw power. Its main strength is freedom of movement. You get 3 speed settings, so it is more flexible than the basic fixed speed model. In real use, that means you can slow things down a bit for finer work, or push it higher when you need faster sanding. The pad brake is also helpful because it gives better control and helps reduce unwanted swirl marks. But the trade-off is clear. Since this is a cordless tool, runtime matters. It is great for touch-ups, job site work, and moving around without dragging a cord behind you. But for large surfaces or long sanding sessions, the corded models are still more practical. Also, the battery and charger are sold separately. If you already use Makita 18-volt LXT batteries, this model becomes much more appealing. If you do not, the total cost goes up. And now, moving into the corded 6-inch options, the focus shifts from portability to coverage and sanding power. If this video helps you compare the options, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. The Makita BO6030 comes in 3rd. This is where the comparison changes, because now we move from 5-inch sanders to a larger 6-inch pad, and that makes a real difference when you are working on bigger flat surfaces. The main benefit is coverage. A 6-inch pad simply sands more area with each pass, so if you're working on tabletops, panels, doors, or larger boards, this model feels more efficient than the smaller options. The variable speed also gives you better control than the BO5030, and the detachable front handle helps when you want more stability. But this is not the most powerful 6-inch model in the lineup. It is heavier than the 5-inch sanders, and it does not have the forced rotation mode found on the top-ranked model. So while it is comfortable for broad sanding, it is not as aggressive or as versatile as the BO6050J. This is a good pick if you want a larger sanding surface and variable speed without jumping to the heaviest duty option. But if you still want a more compact sander for general work, the next model may actually be the better everyday choice. In 2nd place is the Makita BO5041, and for many people this might be the sweet spot. It keeps the manageable 5-inch size but adds the one feature missing from the basic model: variable speed. That speed range makes it much easier to match the tool to the job. Need faster sanding? Turn it up. Working near edges or on a finer surface? Slow it down. The adjustable front handle is also a real advantage because it gives you more control, especially when you are sanding corners, vertical surfaces, or awkward pieces. The downside is that it is still corded, and it does not remove material as aggressively as the larger BO6050J. The dust bag is fine for smaller jobs, but if you care about clean sanding, connecting to a vacuum is still the better setup. It is also heavier than the BO5030, though still much easier to handle than the 6-inch models. This is the one I would point to for most regular users who want one good sander for woodworking, furniture work, and home projects. It is more flexible than the basic model, easier to manage than the larger sanders, and still strong enough for a lot of common jobs. And at number 1, we have the Makita BO6050J. This is the strongest and most versatile sander in the group, and you can see that right away from the motor, the larger orbit diameter, and the 2 sanding modes. The big advantage is that this model can do both fine finishing and more aggressive material removal. The forced rotation mode gives it a much stronger bite than the regular random orbit models. So if you are dealing with bigger jobs, rougher surfaces, or need faster stock removal, this one has a clear edge. But this is also the heaviest model here at 5.7 pounds, and it is more tool than some users need. For small furniture projects or quick sanding around the house, it can feel like overkill. Also, dust collection works best with an extractor, so this is better suited for a more serious setup. This is the best choice if you want the most capable sander in the ranking. For professional use, larger surfaces, polishing, and demanding sanding work, it stands above the others. But for casual users, the BO5041 may still be the more practical everyday pick. Check the links in the description to see the top products from this review and compare current prices. And if this helped you choose the right Makita sander, like the video and subscribe to the channel.